Grayson, what did the Easter Bunny bring you? Marshmallows? Did you get Easter marshmallows? Are those your favorite candies ever? Grayson. Marshmallows. Gonna be marshmallows on the carpet, all over your pajamas. Get them all. Uh-oh. Grayson, can Mama have some? Can Mama have some? Can Mama have one? On the floor, can Mama have some? He said, heck no.